Cladco Fibre Cement Wall Cladding Boards feature a high-quality embossed wood grain effect surface and are available in 8 subtle colours, enabling you to create the colour of your choice. Each Cladco Fibre Cement Wall Cladding Board measures 3.66 metres long, 8 mm thick and 210 mm wide. Boards are installed horizontally with a featherboard effect, requiring a 30 mm overlap between each board. Cladco Fibre Cement Wall Cladding Boards can be secured using colour-matched 38 mm stainless steel screws sold in packs of 100 and available separately on the Cladco website. Cladco Fibre Cement Wall Cladding Boards are dimensionally very stable, meaning they produce little to no expansion with the changing of ambient temperatures. What's more, Cladco boards are fade resistant for lasting colour. Engineered with a cellulose fibre and cement mix, Cladco boards have extremely high levels of moisture, insect and rot resistance. When comparing fibre cement to composite cladding or timber cladding, fibre cement cladding is highly weather resistant, making for the perfect solution for installations near coastal areas that are exposed to corrosive sea air. Cladco Fibre Cement Wall Cladding Boards come with a 10-year guarantee. Explore the range of Cladco aluminium fibre cement trims to create a professional finish for your wall cladding project.